Hi, it's Wanda from Alanda Craft, and today I'm going to show you an album I've just finished. I'm going to send it off. It is a birthday present. I've made this for my son, who's a mad keen fisherman, and he's just turning 50. So it's made from the ocean blue graphic design paper, and what I've done here is I actually bought the tutorial from Nostalgique on Etsy, and absolutely fabulous presentation, lots of pictures, lots of instructions, but I did have a few issues with some of the measurements weren't quite right, but managed to work them out and work through it, and I kept the video on hand so that I could also see what was going on. So I thought I'd just walk you through it because I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Now, here's the cover, and what I've done is I've added an anchor. I just got a die and I just cut that out a few times and stuck it all together, layered it, and then I have some charms, some sea charms that I've added here as well, and a chain that I put on here. The cover is a linen fabric that I've just used, and I thought it just finished it off nicely. And I've got a sticker on the side here, and then the back I've just left plain with the paper. I was going to add something to it, but I thought no, the paper is just enough, I think, on its own. So here we go, let's go through it. Alright, so open up the folder, and you can see I've got some graphic 45 tags here. I've made 3 of those. I've left them blank on the back so they can turn them over, put photos, whatever they like on them. And of course we've got the pocket in the front. And I thought this was rather nice. This is just one of the stickers. It says my birthstone is a seashell. And then over here, just undo the ribbon. Got a journaling spot here. Place for some photos. This is a tag on here, but you don't use it as a tag, it's just a base to put a photo on. And then you open it up this way, and here we are, we've got more spots for photos. I'll just take that photo out. Okay, got some tuck spots. Okay, so we've got tuck spots here, and I'll just show you like that. And lift this one up. So this one I didn't make as a tuck spot, which I think it should have been. And then we come down here to open the page. Again, more tuck spots for more photos, but lots of area for photos. And I really love how this all folds out and there's so much going on with it. Now in here I have a little notebook, and it's tied with just a piece of rope, as you can see there. And again, it's just a nice little spot to put some photos in. And this is a built-up pocket so that it's got plenty of room for lots of bits and pieces to tuck in there. I've got some photo mats. I've got 2 of those here. I love this paper. This paper is just great, and I just think that it's just my son, you know, it's just ideal for my son, as I say, being an avid fisherman. Now that lifts up, and again you can see here there's a tuck spot here, and there's a tuck spot in here as well. So you can just put the photo in there, and it's finished off with just a piece of string and as one of the chipboard pieces. Okay, so on this page, opens up, more tuck spots, and it opens right up. Now I made an error, and I actually put in an extra piece of page, half a page, and I thought afterwards, well, I was going to cut it out, and I thought, no, I'll just leave it and dress it up. And so I've put a tuck spot there. It just adds extra room for more photos. And on here, oops, I have to fix that. Okay, so there we go. And again, this lifts up, more spots for photos. I just love the design. When I saw it on YouTube, I thought, oh, I really like that, so I had to go and buy it straight away. I do love her designs. I just think that there's so much going on. Now here we are. It's just a couple of the cards that come with the set. I've just used a ribbon here and tied a bit of string around just to finish that off. Okay, it just slips in. lots of photo room. So then this one also lifts up, so you have more tuck spots here. Okay, so I've got some here, and I've used some twine here just to tie off through these little cutouts, and I've placed a piece here so you can add some photos. There's also a pocket here for adding more photos. I've just put one of the ephemera cards from the set in there. A little bit. Trying to push it through the wrong place. Here you go. Alright. And that also opens up. So as you can see, lots and lots of places to put photos. Okay, so now we have this part here as well. Again, pocket. Put pieces in, add photos. It just seems to go on and on and on. I just love it. This is a tuck spot. I've got more tuck spots down here. This here, and this, you can flip that round to hold a photo in. And then we come to the back pages, and again, there's lots more areas for photos. And I know he's got a mountain of photos from his fishing trips, and so there'll be lots of places to put photos of him and the family with their big catches. They catch quite a lot of fish. Okay, and then we have the back page, and again we've got a belly band there. So there we are. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and as I say, the pattern, the tutorial that I bought from Nostalgique, I'll put a link in the description below for where you can get that tutorial. It was so full of information, and really well worth buying if you like this type of album that has lots and lots of stuff going on. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you next time.